Our last group will be an a cappella group formed backstage at the talent show. They are called the Ringtones. Mary Cecil, Louisa Blatt, Lucy and Josie Blatt, Lena Proctor, Clapp, Sophia and Robby Chappell will be singing You're on Fire by Alicia Keys. They will also be singing The Scientist by Coldplay. And now, the Ringtones.
She's just a girl and she's on fire, hotter than a fantasy, rolling like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, feeling the catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Oh, she's got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, oh, oh. She got her head in the clouds and she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Looks like a girl, but she's a flame. So bright she can burn your eyes. Better look the other way. You can try, but you'll never forget her name. She's on top of the world, hottest of the hottest girls. Say, oh, we've got both feet on the ground and we're burning it down. Oh, we got her head in the clouds and we're not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Oh.
Everybody saying she goes by. She can see the flames in her eyes. And she knows she's lighting up the night. 'Cause nobody knows that she's a lonely girl. It's a lonely world. She gon' let it burn, baby, burn, baby.
This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you, tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. Tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. Oh, let's go back to the start. Running in circles, chasing our tails, coming back as we are. Nobody said it was easy.
It's such a shame for us to part.
Nobody said it was easy.
No one ever said it would be this hard.
Oh, take me back to the start. Bum 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 bum. I was just guessing numbers and figures. play the puzzles apart. Questions of science and progress do not speak as loud as my heart. So tell me you love me, come back and haunt me. Oh, when I rush to the start, running in circles, chasing no tails, coming back.